Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to reset your Samsung Galaxy A03. So if you have one of these A03, I'm going to show you how to reset this. There are two methods in which you can reset, in which I'm going to show you. So if you have an issue with your phone and you've forgotten your password or passcode or whatever, you want to hold the volume up, the power button. You want to go directly into the recovery mode. You want to release the power button here. Keep holding the volume up, and this should take us into the recovery settings. So I am going to release the volume up. Release. Once you release, this should take us straight into the recovery mode. Right. Now that we are into the recovery mode, you can navigate using the volume up and down. So if you want to do a factory reset, you hit the volume button to go on white data factory reset. You hit the power button, then you hit factory data reset to reset. So that's how it can be done. The other method on doing this, I'm going to show you. So you want to start up your device normally. So start up your Samsung Galaxy A03 normally, whether the core or the S. You want to start it up properly. Once you have access to the device, you want to do just that. Now the device is on. You want to make sure that you go to settings. You want to go to accounts. You want to ensure that you remove your Google account first. Then you want to scroll and go to system. You want to hit reset here, and then you hit data factory reset. Then you reset the phone, you delete all. It can take a while, but you want to ensure that you have sufficient battery power and that you perform this successfully, that you allow it to boot up properly and process properly, because it's getting the phone interface ready for usage. So this is what's being done here, and we are done. So it is now preparing for us to use, and you want to set the language. And guys, we're basically done. You can take it from here and you can set up the device. So guys, my name is Lens. I hope that this video was helpful. Do like, share and subscribe.